Hey fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be watching few more codes on the Arduino UNO. I want to make this video short and sweet. Therefore, I'll be showing you all the codes and the execution directly. The detailed explanation and the codes with the circuit will be given in the PDF down in the description. So let's get started. Hey fam, as I said, if you check the description, you will get a link for this file. After extracting the file, you will find all these codes and this instruction inside it. The instruction is clearly given on each program on what to do and how to do. So I'll be showing the execution of each program. These will be the codes. You just have to open it, and first of all we will need to have the Arduino IDE. If you have, it will just open up. And that's it guys. These are the other programs and I'll be showing you all the executions now. This is our first code guys. This is the button controlled LED. So when I press it, it lights up. So hey fam, this will be our second code, which is actually the tone melody. Hey fam, this is the traffic light one. So you can see. This is our Morse code for SOS.